Welcome to Nexus TV, breaking the analysis to the US-Iran escalation. US-Iran escalation 2026. The 72 hours that shook the Middle East. Between February 28 and March 3, 2026, tensions between the United States and Iran escalated dramatically with the active involvement of Israel. Airstrikes, missile retaliation, rising oil prices, regional instability. Is this the beginning of a broader Middle East war? Tonight, we break down what happened and what could happen next. 1. The trigger. On February 28th, coordinated strikes targeted Iranian military facilities. Reported objectives included missile infrastructure, command centers, air defense systems. Washington described the operation as a preventive security measure. Tehran condemned it as a direct act of aggression. This marked one of the most serious direct confrontations in years. 2. Iran's response. Within 48 hours, Iran launched retaliatory measures, ballistic missiles toward Israeli-linked targets, drone operations targeting US interests in the Gulf, activation of regional allied networks. Tensions also rose in Lebanon, involving the Hezbollah. The conflict was no longer bilateral. It became regional. 3. The Strait of Hormuz factor. The most critical flashpoint, the Strait of Hormuz. Nearly 20% of global oil trade passes through this narrow corridor. Even limited disruption triggered immediate oil price spikes, market volatility, airspace closures across the Gulf. Energy security became a global concern overnight. 4. Geopolitical dimensions. Gulf states now face difficult choices: support Washington openly, remain neutral, avoid becoming targets. The US holds technological and air superiority. Iran relies on asymmetric strategy, drones, missile saturation, regional alliances, strategic depth. This imbalance creates a prolonged conflict risk. 5. Economic impact. Markets reacted instantly. Oil and gas prices surged. Investors feared a Hormuz blockade, escalating military engagement, a prolonged regional war. Inflation pressures could rise globally. Supply chains may face new shocks. 6. Possible scenarios. Scenario 1. Controlled de-escalation. International diplomatic pressure leads to limited containment. Scenario 2. Regional war expansion. Lebanon, Iraq, and Syria become active fronts. Scenario 3. Prolonged asymmetric conflict. Cyber attacks, proxy warfare, economic pressure. None of these scenarios guarantee stability. Conclusion. This conflict is not just about missiles. It is about nuclear fears, regional power balance, energy security, global strategic influence. The key question is no longer whether escalation is possible, it is whether it can be contained. This was the Nexus Weekly Analysis, understanding the world to better anticipate the future. Subscribe, comment, and share. See you.